Oh, hi, my kitties. You guys are here way early. Way early. Like, in the daylight. You guys are never here this early. Do you guys want some treats? There you go. There's some treats. Oh, poor kitty. Okay, now some for Warren. There you go. Now some more for Longshot. There you go. Oh, that's pretty close. Oh, poor kitty. Yep. Still not sure about getting too close. That's okay. And there's Warren. Sorry, kitty. There's another one right there. Right there. Yep, there you go. Okay. One more thing of treats for each of you, and then I'll go get you some food. Because you need to have some food too, not just treats. Although I understand, treats are way better than food. Good job, Longshot. Good job. Okay, now some more treats for you, Warren. There. Hey! He swatted at me. Because I guess I didn't put him down fast enough. Well, that's rude. Okay. Let me go get you guys some food, okay? I'll be right back. Oh, you're so cute, Longshot. Yeah, you're so cute. See? It's like still daylight outside. So imagine my surprise when I look out the window and there you guys are. Yep, imagine my surprise. Okay, Warren. I'll be right back. I'll be right back with some food. Of course, now that you guys are so close, as soon as I get up, you guys are gonna run. But can't be helped.